There's the trailhead map. There's the parking lot, 0.8 of a kilometre in. Something like that. There's the reading on it. And there's the trailhead. Let's head up. There we go, on the trail. You can hear the falls from here. And there's the trail. You can hear them pretty good. Back on when we get closer. I guess this is a canoe route. There's the portage for the falls. Let's keep going. That's probably the trail there that you see for Aubrey Lake.
Yeah.
I mean, Rocky Island.
Okay.
And there's the bridge for the falls. There's the falls. And the bridge across. Some more over here, you can see. Let's see if we can get closer. There's another portage sign on the trail. Ooh. Seems like it's seated down the bridge with headway.
Yeah.
You can't see that part there.